to serve fresh seafood like kinaling, one of our popular Cebuano food with rice. Of Japanese food meal. Food. Chicken curry with rice. Napakaganda din po ng ambience, Pinoy na Pinoy.
So, bestseller ninyo, May.
Sports. Hey guys! Welcome to SMCTG Mall, located in Mandaue City, Cebu. For today's episode, ating i-explore ang SMCTG Mall Food Hall. Nandito na po tayo sa 4th level. Tara na at mag-explore. Ito po yung dining area na food hall. Ito po yung unang food stall, House of Lechon. Second food stall, ang Red Bowl.
Hi, ma'am. It was rice meal. Yes, ma'am.
Ito po ang kanilang menu. Kadalasan mga rice bowls. At ito naman po ang ating third food stall, Korean food.
Saan siya, miss?
Better Burger, our third food stall. No Problem Stick. At meron po ditong bilao set. Starts at 190 pesos, 390, and 620. They also serve fresh seafood. Ito naman yung katabing food stall, mga Thai food. Filipino food naman dito. Like kinaling, chop suey, kalyos, bula-bula, crab meat, and one of our popular Cebuano food, humpa. Japanese cuisine naman dito.
Yuki, Japanese.
Ito po yung mga food with price list. 269 pesos meal with rice.
Maserve na nga dahil.
Ramen with sushi. Mami and curry.
Curry. Chicken curry ni siya, miss. Chicken curry. Kana ako, miss.
And more choices of Japanese food meal. Ito naman yung katabing stall. Ayan po ang menu. Snack yard. Ito naman po ang kanilang menu. fresh fruit shake, potato corner,
Sa mo rice, sour or
ito po yung dining area. At maliit na playground para sa kids.
Mr. Taho. Lemon.
Korean street food, corn dog, and fish cake. Ibang flavor ng corn dog, fish cake, spicy and original. Mami, coffee and tea, cookies, at ito na nga po ang ating food. Chicken curry with rice and salad.
Kain. Sausaw natin sa sauce. Curry sauce. Curry. Curry sauce. Sarap. Then salad. Tapusin ko muna to.
Dahil marami po yung servings, hindi po natin mauubos. Silipin natin yung mga sumasayaw dito. Dragon dance. Umiikot po sila sa food hall. Bukod sa food hall, meron din pong mga restaurants and cafe like GCO.
O ko ano lang kani, duha. O tiramisu ba yun? Duha. Dozen. Jackie Chan, usa.
Itas Restaurant.
1K ma'am.
1K. Yan na kay.
Ipait nga, budget sisig from 320.
Ito po ang menu. They serve Filipino food. Napakaganda din po ng ambience, Pinoy na Pinoy. everything yummy.
Nice kayo ambience.
Japanese restaurant. Menu, Japanese cuisine. Salon de Di. Bread and pastries. Mesa restaurant.
May unlimited rice. Buffet. Buffet din.
Ang ating paboritong ice cream, ilaw-ilaw. Another Japanese restaurant here.
Beef, tanan beef. Beef.
Ay, pork, chicken.
Kenny Rogers. Bread Talk in Greenwich. Meron ding matcha festival dito. From milk tea to cookies. Basta matcha po yung flavor, meron po dito. And pastries. Free coffee. Brownies, Jollibee, Kentucky Chicken, KFC, Contest Cake, and Pastries. Perfect for pasalubong.
Miss, asay bestseller ninyo, Miss? Ano yung bestseller?
Pagkatapos kumain, pwede din po tayong manood ng sine at mag-relax. Bukod sa sine, marami din pong indoor activities dito, like Fantasy World, Dito po tayo bibili ng ticket, 750 1 hour, 850 2 hours, 950 3 hours. Roller skating. Sports. Ito po yung rates. Pwede rin po tayong mag-relax sa wellness space. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, salamat po sa panonood. Much love from Ate Mira Vlogs.